kids, my lovely student. How are you today? Oh, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. Have you guys had breakfast? Oh, good. Because with breakfast, we will certainly be more eager to learn. Is true or not, kids? Yes, of course, it's true. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Intan, and you can call me Intan or Miss Intan. Do you have any question about me? Nothing? Okay, no problem. You know what material we will be learning today? Do any of you know? Yeah, that's right. So, today we are going to be discussing a topic about various kind of food in English. Please pay attention, look at the picture, listen to what I describe, and repeat after me. Do you understand? Okay, good. Are you ready? Okay, let's start studying. Okay, in here, I have some fruit. What kind of fruit are there in here? Do you know? Okay, no problem. Please listen to me. Repeat after me, okay? First, this picture is apple. One more time. This is apple. Next, this is orange. This is orange. Next, this is banana. This is banana. And the last picture, this is avocado. This is avocado. Okay, good job. Okay, now I will ask you guys, what are your favorite fruits? Banana, apple, watermelon, grapes. Okay, good job. So you know about all these fruits. Would you like to sing together with me and your friends? Do you want? Okay, let's sing a song about food together, joyfully and happy. Let's start.
Happy Sunshine Friends!
Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Lemon, durian, and banana. Happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits. Happy fruits, happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy fruits. Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Mango, coconut, and watermelon. Happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy fruits. Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Mangosteen, papaya, and green apple. Happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy, happy, happy fruits, happy fruits, happy fruits. La 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 la.
Okay, student, we are at the ending of lesson today. Before closing, do you have any question? Nothing? It's okay, no problem. I hope you can understand the topic about the rules I will in. Before the class and study, let us pray together. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.